Yeah, redneck ball, my ball. Paint job. Oh crap, my flip-flop. Oh crap, another piece of junk rule right there. Never wear flip-flops mudding. That my friends. I forgot what we'll call it. Cousin. Alright, let's go. Oh crap, my bike. It's a piece of crap. Oh wait, it's kind of like a dirt bike. Whoa, what's a dirt bike too? Oh, my friend Nikki put pedals on it. Or wherever. They got it. Crap, this thing is very heavy getting it up a creek. Alright. Watch, I want to do mud ball paints up. Slap full of the mud. Dude, look what I just did.